Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we will see one more PHP assignment. Here we'll cover script to accept employee details. On first page, we need to accept the employee number, employee name and address in HTML form. On second page, accept earnings like basics, DA and HRA. This is also in one form. And on a third page, print employee information. All the details of employee means employee number, name, address, basic, DA, HRA with the total. Okay, and here condition provided is use session. So let's see the program for the same. So first see the employee one.php file. So here first we'll create the one PHP file. Here write the HTML body form action equals to employee2.php method equals to get. Here see this statement is important. Form action equals to employee2.php. Here enter employee details. So first this will be the heading. Enter employee details. Then after that here table. Inside the table, see we need a table for employee number. So here use the table tag. Start the table tag. Then table row and the column. Inside that in a bold letter write employee number. End of bold, end of column. And here we are writing the input type equals to text. Okay, input type equals to text, name equals to employee number and end of that column, end of row. So after that, see, after that we'll again take the same formats like table row, table column, bold, name of the employee. Okay, so input type equals to text, name equals to ename. This variable name is very important, e-number, e-name, because we are going to use this in a second file. Then about the address, same table row, column, in bold write the address, end of bold, end of column, then inside the column write the text, input type equals to text, name equals to e-address. Okay, then end of that row, end of table. And here input type equals to submit, value equals to show. See, show name equals to submit. Okay, so we'll show this value and we'll submit this form. End of form, end of body, end of HTML. This is the employee 1. Now we'll take the employee 2 file. So, and this is employee 2 file. See here, this one is the employee 1 file. Here we took the different element, e-number, e-name, e-address. So we are using this element here inside the PHP file. Here session start the session and accept this $get by using the get method. Accept this e number. See this e number from here. From this file we are copying the e number. Accessing this e number in the second file by using the get method. But you need to write the same name e number. Don't write in a capital or in a other letters. Okay. E number, then $get e name. So write the name, then e address. See, after that $session here, $e number. See, you took here the $e number. So use this $e number and inside the $session pass as a parameter e number, e name and the e address. Okay. After that end of this script and here inside the HTML write form action equals to emp3.php method equals to post. See here we are using the now emp3 file. Okay, and here we'll provide the table like this. Enter earnings of employee. See this code is for taking the first form parameter on a second, and this is for this table is for to accept the data from the user about what, about this basic DA and HRA. Okay, accept the data from the user. So basic, write the again basic, input type equals to text, name equals to E1. Then DA, dearness allowance, then input type equals to text, name equals to E2. Then house rent allowance, here input type equals to text, name equals to E3. So this E1, E2, E3 we are accepting here. And then when you are clicking on the input type equals to submit and value equals to next. When you are clicking on the next, you will go on the third page. Okay, so this is about the second. Now take the third file. Okay, third file is selected with the employee 3. Okay, this is the third file. This one is the first, this second and third. See this file, third file is here. So I am putting this file on above this one. Okay, so here first session start, accept this E1, E2, E3. See, in second one file you return the first, you have took the e number, ename, address of the first file by using the get method. Here you are writing the E1, E2, E3 of previous file by using the post method. Okay, you are using the post method here. Employee details, and here we are just printing the details of the employee. So employee number, $session e number, employee name, $session e num, employee address, $session e address. Okay, so we are printing the employee details. Then after that we are writing here basic dot dollar e. Okay, see dot for the concatenation and dollar e1 because you already took this e1, e2 and e3 by using the post method. So no need to write the again the session here dollar e1, dollar e2 and dollar e3. And then addition of these three. See, when you are calculating the total salary, you need to add E1, E2, E3. E1, this E2 and E3. Okay, so here is the total E1, E2, E3 and display this total here. Okay, so what we did, see, our program was to accept the employee details, employee number, name, address on first page. On second page, accept earning, basic, DA, HRA. On third page, print the employee information. So here for on first page we accepted this information e number, name and address. Okay, on second page we accepted, first you need to link this first page parameter here by using the session. We accepted this element here. After that in this second form you accepted the basic, DA and HRA. In third used the post method for E1, E2, E3 and this for the e number, e name and address. We use the $session to accept this element here from the first form. Okay, and then total of this E1, E2, E3 and display the total here. So let's run this code on a console. So how to run this? See, when you are executing this, how to execute this? So first you need to start the XAMPP. So I am using the XAMPP on Windows. So you need to start all this software. And then after that here type localhost, your folder name. I have did this program inside the Sonali PHP and inside this I used one folder same2. Okay, so this is my folder. So press the enter. Here you can see the different programs. So this first one is emp1.html. Here directly you can type this emp1.html, no issues, and press the enter. Enter employee details. Suppose employee number. Employee number is 101. Name of employee is Suhani. Then address of employee is Mumbai. Okay. After that click on a show. Okay, just click on a show. Okay, then go to the second page. Here basic what, basic salary, then dearness allowance and house rent allowance. I have entered this randomly. Then click on the next. So here you will get the employee details, employee number, employee name, employee address, then basic, DA, HRA and total of earnings is total earning of that employee. So in this way you can complete your program. If you have any doubt, if you want any other program of web technology, you can type it in a comment box. I will provide the solution. Thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to my channel Sonali Thank you.